What if I told you a simple credit card decision changes everything? Yes, applying or canceling a credit card affects your credit score, but the real impact depends on timing, utilization, and account history. Let's break down the secrets credit bureaus don't usually tell you. First, applying for a new card triggers something called a hard inquiry. A hard inquiry lowers your score by about 3 to 10 points. Sounds scary, right? But the effect usually fades within 12 months. Hard inquiries stay on your credit report for 2 full years. However, the scoring models only weigh them heavily in the beginning. So applying today won't ruin your future if done responsibly. Now, here's where things get exciting. Applying could actually raise scores. Yes, if you're approved, your total available credit immediately increases. More available credit means lower utilization, which boosts your credit score. For example, you owe $3,000 on $10,000 total limit. That's 30% utilization, already close to the risky red zone. But imagine you open another card with a $5,000 limit. Suddenly, your utilization drops to 20%, making you look safer. Creditors love lower utilization, so your score could actually climb. Now, let's talk about the other side, canceling a credit card. Canceling doesn't trigger a hard inquiry, but it changes other factors. First, it reduces your available credit, raising your utilization ratio instantly. Using the same example, $10,000 total limit drops to $5,000. With $3,000 debt, utilization jumps to 60%, very dangerous. That sharp increase makes lenders see you as higher financial risk. Second, canceling your oldest card can shorten your credit history. Credit scoring models reward longer histories, showing stability and responsibility. Close your oldest account, and your average account age shrinks. That's why experts often say, keep old cards open forever. Even if unused, that history helps strengthen your creditworthiness significantly. But here's an interesting twist. Closed accounts stay visible for years. Positive payment history remains up to 10 years after cancellation. So canceling isn't always devastating, but it does need careful planning. Another factor is credit mix, how many different credit types you use. Lenders like seeing variety: credit cards, loans, mortgages, even retail accounts. Canceling one card won't destroy the mix, but multiple closures might. So, should you apply for new cards or cancel old ones? The answer lies in balance, strategy, and understanding your personal situation. If annual fees outweigh benefits, canceling might be worth the risk. But if utilization is already high, cancellation could damage your score. Similarly, applying for multiple cards at once can look suspicious. Too many inquiries suggest desperation, and lenders may decline your application. Spacing out applications every 6 months keeps you looking more responsible. And remember, every successful application adds to your available credit pool. That's why many credit experts recommend building gradually, not aggressively. Another hidden trick: downgrade cards instead of canceling to avoid damage. Many banks let you switch to no-fee versions without closing. This keeps your limit and history while removing unwanted annual charges. It's like getting the benefits without sacrificing your credit score health. Let's bring in some data. Average American holds 3 to 4 cards. Studies show optimal credit scores often come with 5 active accounts. Utilization under 30% is considered safe by most credit models. Below 10% is excellent, often unlocking premium lending opportunities. So, a single application or cancellation won't make or break you, but repeated careless actions can quickly trap you in credit problems. The golden rule is simple: protect your oldest accounts whenever possible, keep balances low, pay on time, and apply only with purpose. Do that, and your credit score will grow stronger every year. Treat credit cards as financial tools, not just spending machines, my friend. Remember, every decision with credit has consequences, both short-term and long-term. So next time you apply or cancel, think strategically before acting.